Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Levidio Invitation, which launched on the 3rd of April at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, we're going to be going through this software product that enables you to easily create visually engaging videos, graphics and websites that will capture your viewers' attention, and also lots of applications with them that you can potentially sell on to local business clients as well as use them yourself. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. We'll also be going through the bonuses that you can get if you decide to pick up Levidio Invitation from the official Elite Tigers Group bonus page by clicking on the link immediately underneath this video. And in here I've put together a set of bonuses that will enhance the results that you will get with your copy of Levidio Invitation. Now you can get these bonuses simply by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And that will be a disappointment because I have taken a lot of time to put them together to make sure that they are on message with your copy of Levidio Invitation. But having said that, do feel free to go and have a look at what other affiliates are offering with their copy of Levidio Invitation, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way more useful and way better than what anyone else is offering. I also have a set of bonuses directly from the vendor that have been given to me to give to you, so I'll also go through those as part of this presentation. So what is Levidio Invitation? Sorry, that's the extra bonus page, this is the main page. So you can easily create visually engaging videos, graphics and websites that captivate viewers to increase conversions. You can easily create videos, banners, flyers and websites for any of your business and event needs with no technical skills required. And you can see this sales video, which is on the front here, by clicking onto my bonus page, and you will find it just there. Yeah, it's a very short video, just over a minute long, so do watch that first of all. Right, so what you will get is professional, you get access to over 169, that means 170, doesn't it? Why say over 169? Done for you templates for your business marketing and event invitation needs, professional business and marketing videos, website templates, static banners, wedding invitation videos. Now there's a lot, I have to say, there's a lot of really good wedding related stuff here. Yeah, we talk about different niches that you can move into in the Elite Tigers Group, and weddings is an evergreen niche that always generates great revenues. Yeah, these days most people do it 3 or 4 times during their lifetime as well. I've only done it twice myself, mind, but you know, it's an evergreen niche, and you can certainly tap into that with this product in a major way, because I think the wedding stuff in particular enclosed with this package is sensational. And I think that if you use some of the hacks that I'm going to show you with my bonuses, you will find it very easy to get results selling that on separately. PowerPoint mascot creator, professional flyers, invitation cards, not just for weddings but for any occasions. You've got an animated icon pack, the wedding event video, this is the one that you're really going to like, animated banners and the wedding sideshow. Yeah, so do have a look through the sales page, folks, quite extensive. This is actually a demo which I've put onto my bonus page, so you don't need to watch it there. So if you go to this one here, you'll see
it's Maulana Malik here, and
it's Maulana Malik, who actually is one of the team of creators of this product. And if you want to watch, you can see the whole demo walkthrough of how easy it is to use this and to overlay your messages onto the templates. Yeah. So you need professionally designed videos to steal your attention, skyrocket your conversions, increase your business credibility. It's perfect for everyone, easy to use. very innovative effects, step-by-step tutorials, and you can integrate it with your favorite video editor if you want to. Now there's lots of samples here that you can actually have a look at, yeah, so any of these, if you want to watch any of them, just click on them and they'll open up. As you can see, they're very high quality. So do watch these, because it's a very visual product. So it's okay me talking about it, but you want to actually see it in action. So that's the first module, is this stuff here, the business stuff. The second module is the wedding invitation video. Again, you really should watch this because this is great. Let's just have a quick look. Everyone's going to love stuff like that, folks, and there's lots of different designs, so you know, you can make a massive side income just with the wedding stuff alone. Website templates with simple autoresponder, again, have a look at those, plenty of samples. PowerPoint mascot creators, again, you can use that with your wedding stuff or for other stuffs. Caters for all religions as well. Animated and static banners, again, check out some of those. Done for you flyer templates, they're pretty cool as well. All of this stuff you can have a look at and play around with at your leisure. Yeah, it all comes to life. Invitation cards, they're great as well. Automated icon packs, loads of value in this, folks. You're going to be impressed with the price. $25.97 is all that it costs, and I've even got a coupon for you at the moment. Early bird is a coupon you can use today to get another $2 off, so it'll only cost you $23.97. Don't forget to enter that when you go to the checkout page. So you click on this button here, and when you get to the JVZoo checkout page, you must enter this early bird. It won't automatically deduct the $2 off, all right, and that take it down to $23.97. all right, so what I want to do, so first let me go through the bonuses that the vendor has given me to give to you. Now bear in mind that most decent affiliates will have been given these bonuses, so this is probably likely to be what you're going to be offered from most other affiliates, yeah, but you will get them from me anyway. So the first thing is 4 new video marketing templates, and they are in sport, real estate, consultancy and architecture. They're great. Instagram stories templates done using PowerPoint. If you use Instagram, and you should be, then these would be great for you. Yeah. 24 Instagram video templates in the usual sort of rectangular format. Yeah. Again, have a look at those. Corporate video templates. Not sure how many of these we get. Looks like 6, but they're all great. Yeah. Huge marketing graphics with commercial license. You can do what you like with those. Animated video templates. Again, you're getting all of these, folks. Look at these. Great one there. Tons of these. Super huge graphic marketing fire sale with commercial use. Again, you've got stacks of sales page templates, e-covers, social media icons. These are really good bonuses, actually, folks. Anyway, in fairness, I have to thank the vendor for giving me these to give to you. Still more, I think. Yeah. Infographics builder, again with commercial use. Can use all of these. Video marketing profit kit with resale rights as well, so you can learn all the stuff in here and then you can sell it on. YouTube channel SEO boost with resale rights. Again, great for you to get your YouTube channel SEO'd and performing better, but then you can actually sell the product on. It's something that everyone needs, and it's really hot at the moment. Yeah, so these bonuses are actually tremendous. If you buy the first upsell, I'll come on to the upsells in a bit. Yeah, you'll also get this animated explainer video templates. Yeah. Green screen and chroma key video bundle. Green screen is great. Yeah. Time lapse background video bundle, blurry bokeh, I'm not sure how you pronounce that word, video bundle, instant spokesperson video templates bundle, new PowerPoint video templates, new Instagram video templates, and that is it. Yeah. The bonuses will be waiting for you inside your JVZoo customer area after you pick that up. So what am I going to give you on top of all that loads of value anyway? Yeah. Well, the first thing, because I think it's sort of similar to this, is a great little course called Printly, which shows you how to make money with printables. Now, one of the things that you're going to be doing with this course is learning how to sell invitations. Yeah. Now, with your clients that you're getting from Printly, and it will show you how to go about getting clients, if you're selling them something related to an invitation, then they are going to absolutely love to also have the videos that you are creating with Levidio Invitation, yeah, without a shadow of a doubt. So that really complements this. The next thing is this course by Anthony Mancuso, Easy Passive Paydays. And I've included this because it talks about niched local marketing, and the techniques that Anthony teaches you in this course will be absolutely the right techniques you would need if you were going to start tapping into that local weddings market, yeah, or indeed local business market to sell some of these corporate videos, yeah. So Easy Passive Paydays, Anthony Mancuso, he's actually got a launch out at the moment, I think, as well. Supersonic is his, yeah. So enjoy that. The next bonus that I'm going to give you is a tutorial from John O. Armstrong about Bing ads, which are much cheaper than Google AdWords and stuff like that. So how to build your list using Bing, but also you can use Bing ads to actually market your videos, yeah, and invitation services. And following on from that, in the same vein, how to actually get 90% off of that Bing AdWords spend. It's already fairly cheap, but in this short walkthrough tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get it for virtually nothing. And then finally, again, if you're looking for a particular niche, if we're going for weddings or whatever, you need strategies to get you traffic in your niche, which you will get from the Traffic Generation Club, yeah, tell you how to get loads of free traffic. Now, membership of Traffic Generation Club, if you head over there, trafficgenerationclub.com, and click on the button to join, you will see that silver membership, lifetime silver membership, costs $97. I'm going to give you that completely free as well, yeah. So I hope you can see that there's an absolute ton of value in these bonuses here, and with that coupon discount you're going to get the whole thing for $23. So you've got all of these custom bonuses, you've got the brilliant bonuses from the vendor that he's given to me, and so, you know, I think it's a really, really value pack package. So in terms of the funnel, so that first upsell, it's 37, and you basically get a load more of the same. So you get a load more videos, a load more templates. Have a look at them. They're, you know, they're just as good, if not better, than the front end. And, you know, what's better than lots of the good thing? Well, it's even more of the good thing, isn't it? Yeah. And then there's a massive bundle on the final upsell, which is 77. But don't forget, if you take that first upsell, you'll also get all those extra bonuses that I went through on the local bonus video. So if you want to see them again, you know, just scroll back in the video and you'll see all those extra bonuses that you will get. So I hope that's tempted you, folks. I think it's a great product, this Levidio Invitation. Again, going to give it a 4-star out of 5-star review. Don't forget, you do have to click on the buttons before the timer reaches 0 to get these. And the way that you get them is you just come back into your JVZoo back office, click the green button to get your copy of Levidio Invitation. Your bonuses should be in there with that. And then click on the blue button to get my extra personal bonuses. So thanks as ever, folks, for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Levidio Invitation.